good day. I'm Elaisa Bootan from Amando College. Some of us view mathematics as a difficult subject, right? But it will be easier if we have our techniques for us to be comfortable in studying this field. So, let's start our tutorial with a positive mind. Our topic will focus on the trigonometric function of an acute angle. Solving this, it's easy if we're familiar with the SOH-CAHTOA-CAHTOA. Then what does it mean? SOH-CAHTOA-CAHTOA means that SOH is equal to sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. We have GA, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. For TOA, we have tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Cal equals cotangent equals adjacent over opposite. We have SHA, secant equals hypotenuse over adjacent. And for CO, we have cosecant equals hypotenuse over opposite. In order to apply this appropriately, then we need to know the sides of this right triangle ABC. The longest side is called as our hypotenuse. If our basis will be the angle A, X is our adjacent side and Y is our opposite side. If our basis will be the angle B, the longest side is always called as our hypotenuse, and X will be our opposite and Y is our adjacent side. Let's try to solve a problem. Given this right triangle ABC, we're going to look for the trigonometric function of angle A. We have these values. For the hypotenuse, we have 25. For the adjacent, 24. And for the opposite, we have 7. Apply the concept of the SOH-CAHTOA-CAHTOA. We have sine A equals opposite over hypotenuse. Just simply substitute the value and always reduce your answer in decimal. Get the two place value. We have 7 over 25 and it is equal to 0.28. For the cosine, we have adjacent over hypotenuse. It is equal to 24 over 25 and it is equal to 0.96. For tangent, we have 7 over 24 and it is equal to 0.29. Next, cotangent, we have 24 over 7 and it is equal to 3.43. We have secant, we have 25 over 24 equals 1.04. For the cosecant A, we have 25 over 7 and it is equal to 3.57. Now we are done with the trigonometric function of angle A. How about the angle B? So we are going to do the same process. And we have here the basis as angle B. The hypotenuse will remain as 25. Of course, this will now be the opposite, which measures 24. And this is our adjacent, measures 7. So just repeat the process. We have sine B. We have 24 over 25 and it is equal to 0.96. For the cosine, we have 7 over 25 and it is equal to 0.28. Next, we have tangent. We have 24 over 7 and it is equal to 3.43. We have the cotangent, 7 over 24 and it is equal to 0.29. Next, secant, we have 25 over 7 and it is equal to 3.57. Last, we have the cosecant B. We have 25 over 24 and it's equal to 1.04. So, the question is, what do you observe? Given the values that we get on the trigonometric function of angle A, there are some values which equals to the value of trigonometric function of angle B. As we can see, sine A equals cosine B, cosine A equals sine B, and tangent A equals cotangent B, cotangent A equals tangent B, secant A equals cosecant B, and cosecant A equals secant B. This is what we call as our co-function. We have 3 types. We have sine and cosine, tangent and cotangent, and secant and cosecant. Let's see if you have absorbed something. Try this activity. Find the trigonometric function of angle A as well as the angle B. Apply the SOH-CAHTOA-CAHTOA. This ends my presentation. I hope you learned something out of my short tutorial. Thank you and God bless.